Hi there, today we'll show you how to reset the password for your Redwood account. First, open Redwood by typing in redwood-rp.com and open the login window by clicking the profile icon. At the bottom of the login page, you'll see buttons to sign up and to reset your password. Click the reset password button and then enter the email you used for your account. If you entered your email correctly, you should get a pop-up confirming the reset request. If you forgot your email, please get into contact with a member of staff. Once you've requested the reset email, head over to your email platform of choice and check for an email by no-reply@redwood-rp.com. If you cannot find the email, please check your spam folder. Once you've found the email, click the link in it to open the password reset page. Once it has opened, you can enter your new password. Make sure to double check your password by clicking the Show Password button. If your password fills in all of our requirements, the requirements should be green. If you're happy with your new password, click the Reset Password button. If the reset was successful, a pop-up will show confirming the password has been reset. If you get the error token invalid or expired, request another reset link. Once you've successfully reset your password, you can log in again by pressing the profile icon and entering your username along with your new password. And there you go. You've successfully reset your password. We hope this tutorial helped. If you have additional questions, don't hesitate to contact a member of staff. Also, check out our YouTube channel for more Redwood tutorials and have a nice day.